Hi, I'm Dr. Petty Ann Ford, and I work with a lot of people in my medical group. I'm a dietitian, and I have a PhD in preventive medicine. I work with a lot of people who are pre-diabetic, and I'm going to share 3 things that I tend to focus on. First, I want to understand your frequency and your meal pattern timing. We're trying to reduce long periods of no food. That is going to be a hormonal soup of mess if you're not eating for long periods of time. Next, I want to look at your stress and your sleep. Again, I want to look at what's affecting your hormones. So I'll be asking about sleep patterns, stress management patterns, other things that could be impacting your mental health, emotional health. Third, I'm going to look at your protein and fiber intake and your consistency there. I'm going to look at what's happening in your overall intake of protein and fiber, not just one day. And then the type of protein and fiber that you're having will also make a difference in terms of how it's affecting your blood sugar levels. If your A1C is labeling you as pre-diabetic, then it's your blood sugar has been elevated over time, at least for the last 3 months. And so it's a kind of a warning, like it's a yellow light. You need to slow down and take a look at what's going on. And over time, 12 weeks, you can lower those blood sugar patterns through frequency of meals and your pattern, through sound sleep and stress management techniques, which might be outside of the nutrition consult, and then fiber and protein. Hope this helps.